So now the signal has been lost. Oh no. Okay, I'll just click on return to home now. I don't want to take the risk
Return
because
to
once
home.
the signal had lost, it was disconnected, man. Oh. Alright, so our drone is around 80 meters at the height and at a distance of 166 meters. So I'm just gonna try return to home. Let's see if it's working.
Return to home.
Because the last time, the height limit was set to 500 meters, so it was just going up. So right now I have reduced the height limit to 80 meters. So let's check if the drone can come back automatically over here. Phone में था? And the Bangalore's weather is, man, what I can say. Alright, the drone is at the top over our head.
Landing.
So I guess it's gonna reduce its height. Let's see. So the last time what happened was when I clicked on return to home. So the drone was like just going above 200 meters and 300 meters in height. So because of the height, I just panicked and I cancelled the return home function and I called back the drone manually. So today I have managed to reduce the height, and now I am trying to check, and yes, indeed, the return home function is working. The drone is right upon our head. So you can see my hand over here, and yep. Alright, so there's nothing to worry about the drone. It's working very well, the return home function, because we just flew from that spot again. So let me show myself. Okay, so yeah, so we flew from this particular location and it is working, so there's no issue with the drone. It was just some details which we didn't know about. Okay, so I'm gonna try the maximum distance once again. Let's try if it's on 96%.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Alright, my drone is up. Okay, I just forgot to record. What the hell, man? I always forget to record the drone. I don't know why. So there are a lot of eagles and birds. So carefully I'm gonna go. Let us go to the Elements Mall near Nagwara. Okay, I'll try to go over there. Alright, so 85 meters height is enough, I guess, most probably. So you can see the flyover bridge, the Manyata, the MSR building, and you can see the Nagwara road as well. So you can see the Elements Mall that is at the middle of this footage. So yeah, let's try going to Sarapadle as well. So the right side, the metro work is going on. That is not clearly that visible. And the remote RC connection is totally fine. It's not glitching anything like that. And the satellite connections are 22. So for a effective flight, we need to have around like 25 to 30 satellites. That is what I believe. Let's reduce the height. The thing is, the remote control 2 bars have been reduced, but still I'm gonna fly the drone to its capacity. Let's have a look. So this says there's an aircraft signal interference. Still I will go beyond that. Or you can see so that is the Elements Mall. So we have crossed more than 1 kilometer right now, and I'm not sure whether there are some couple of fires or something like that. So yeah, that is the Elements Mall you might be able to see. Let me pull down a bit. I'm just scared of a couple of fires. What's going on? The mall is completely empty. Let me check the zoom quality as well. With one of yours, so it's right now on 2x. Okay, let me the camera. Yeah, I'm not sure. The quality is pretty good. There are people standing over there just parking. Alright, that's fair enough. You can see the garbage also. That is the Nagpur road. Let me try to minimize. So this is 3x and this is 1x. So let us move further slowly. I hope that we will be able to cross 2 kilometers. I hope so. So we are okay. I could saw some video glitch over here right now. There was some glitch, but still it's going smooth. There's nothing wrong in the connection. Okay, the 2 bars have been reduced, but still let's keep going. So we are at Sarapalya bus stand. Alright, we are still going. There's 1 bar reduced on the RC remote connection. So I hope that there won't be any disconnection, but still let's see. Still there's nothing glitch in the connection or the video quality or the camera. So the 2 bars have been reduced, but still I'll keep going. And that is the Shell petrol bunk, the below you can see. Let me try to increase the height a bit, but could help us. And right now we have crossed around 2 kilometers, and I'm not gonna risk much. So let's go a bit more. Okay, so we are near the CMA convention hall in Tanisandra. I can see that from here. So the 3 bars have been reduced. Let me try to pull up the height a bit more, if I can do that. And you can, alright. So now the signal has been lost. Oh no. Okay, I'll just click on return to home now. I don't want to take the risk
Return
because
to
once
home.
the signal had lost, it was disconnected, man. Oh, all right. So the aircraft is returning, but still there is some issues with connection. So we did around, I guess, around 2,400 meters. Is 2.4 kilometers. So I guess that is okay. Oh shit! Oh no. It's not working that good. That is what I see. So I just wanted to check the return home function, okay, and the range. So I guess at this height, that is, we are standing at around 10 meters from the building. It is third floor. So from here, if we do flight in city, it's gonna cross around 2 kilometers plus. That is what I can say. It's not gonna go much more. If we try, from a bigger apartment, so that it has 20 floors or something like that, then I guess the drone might cross around like some 4 kilometers or 5, but I'm not sure. Still, there's some connection between the drone and the remote. That's not proper, and over here you can see there's some glitch as well in the video. It's not clear, but let's hope what does it do in the camera, if it has been recorded nice as well. So around 1.5 kilometers the signal has come to white from the orange. I mean, that is from red to from danger to normal, and it's fluctuating. It's not consistent. So let's see. However, the app says that the drone has around 5 minutes of battery life. So let's see if it can come back in 5 minutes back to to the home location. And that is okay. Strong wind. So there's a lot of strong wind over there, and that is the Nagwara signal, the circle you can see, and it's heading back. Oh man, this was a crazy flight, I can say. Strong wind, strong wind, strong wind warning. Let me try to reduce. Because of the strong wind, I just don't want to get in some trouble, so I have reduced the height of for around 7 meters. Still there's some problem with the RC connection. Let's see where it is going. Alright, so from here what happened was the screen recording had stopped because I was taking out the maps where the drone is. So it got stopped recording, and so right now I'm recording after seeing the editing. So yeah, what I can say is this particular drone is really good in case of some good footages, and if you want to check some places out within 1 kilometer of range, that's fine. And you may cross around 2.5 kilometers as well, depending on the building or the height you stand. But if you fly from the ground, I guess we would not be able to fly that far, I guess so. So right now the drone is at the top of my head, and I'm moving over here, so you can see my hand. Hello guys. So yeah, so this was the particular video about the return home function error and the range. How far can the drone guy? Oh, holy shit. But really, man, that was really I had been panicked, and it was a scary moment for me where the drone signal was lost. That was something crazy. Yeah, so this particular part, the video has not been recorded, and I was just saying that this was a very good flight. And tata, take care. That's all. See you soon.